About pleural effusion, a condition where there is an accumulation of the fluid into your pleural cavity. Let's start will be presenting with pleuritic chest. Whenever the patient is breathing in or out, there will be pain associated with it. One is आप जब physical examination करोगे, you will have reduction in the tactile from it, increase in the dullness on the percussion जिधर भी area has been filled up with the fluid. This particular fluid can be of two types. Transmutative मतलब वो type of fluid where the fluid is more or other molecules such as proteins or LDH will be less, and that is more common in the conditions of congestive cardiac failure में cardiac output decrease होगा है जिसकी वजह से left ventricular dilate होगा और वो backflow करेगा blood का into your left atrium और उधर से blood will be getting into your pulmonary. There will be increase in the pulmonary capillary wedge pressure जिसकी वजह से fluid will be moving from pulmonary veins to your pleural cavity जिसमें fluid का amount ज़्यादा होगा, proteins will be less and the LDH molecule will be less. It is an indicative of no lung injury. In case of cirrhosis, the liver's ability to produce an albumin is less. Just nephrotic syndrome where the podocytes have been affected जिसकी वजह से the albumin will be lost into overall blood albumin levels decrease. Albumin a type of blood protein responsible होता है fluid को hold करने में in your blood vessels. जैसे albumin कम हो जाएगा there will be decrease in oncotic pressure वजह से fluid hold नहीं होगा and fluid will be getting lost into your pleural. Now exudative type of fluid is present in the case of a lung injury or else lung inflammation जिधर आपने cytokines लिए cytokines further increase करेंगे capillary permeability. So nearby blood vessels undergo करेंगे की वजह से उनकी capillary permeability increase जैसे permeability increase होती है fluid will start to get move into your pleural cavity और जिसके वजह से fluid accumulate होना चालू करेगा और इस fluid में there will be more of the LDH molecule and this particular three markers are indicative of a type of a lung injury. This was all about pleural effusion.